Hey everyone, welcome back to IrajStarTv. I'm Shakil, and today we have a sobering and important story to discuss. It's about a tragic incident that unfolded during a street race, leading to the death of a young man. Before we dive into the details, make sure to stick around until the end, as understanding the consequences of dangerous driving is crucial for everyone on the road. On a fateful night in September 2020, three men, Osama Said, Asghar Taj, and Mohammed Zubair Chowdhury, admittedly participated in a street race near Wilmslow, Cheshire. The victim, 34-year-old Asad Rashid from Bradford, lost his life in the collision caused by this reckless race. Arrest warrants have been issued for all three men after they failed to appear at Manchester Minshull Street, Crown Court for sentencing. In their absence, Said and Taj were sentenced to 12 years each behind bars, while Chowdhury received a 10 years and 7 months prison term. The trio, along with Asad, traveled to Cheshire for the race. Chowdhury was driving an Audi R8, Said in an Audi R3, and Taj and Asad on Suzuki motorbikes. The race began at traffic lights under the A555 bridge, with video footage revealing the dangerous intent of all four drivers. Approaching the total fitness roundabout at high speeds, the drivers failed to navigate the marked oncoming roundabout. The collision occurred, narrowly avoiding innocent bystanders. Unfortunately, Asad was struck by an Audi RS3 and lost his life at the scene. In a shocking turn of events, as members of the public tried to help the injured, Taj was caught attempting to delete files from Instagram and the app itself in a desperate effort to destroy evidence. Following the collision, officers examined the mobile phones of the four men. Chowdhury's phone revealed a disturbing collection of trophy videos, showcasing reckless driving at astonishing speeds, including one video where he drove at 139 mph in a 40 mph zone near his home. Sergeant Andrew Dennison of Cheshire Constabulary emphasized the gravity of the situation. He stressed that driving is a privilege and not a right, urging everyone to act responsibly on the roads. The tragic death of Asad highlights the catastrophic consequences of ignoring driving rules and responsibilities. In conclusion, this devastating incident serves as a stark reminder of the impact of dangerous driving. Four families have been forever changed, emphasizing the need for accountability and responsibility on the road. Share this story to raise awareness about the devastating consequences of reckless behavior behind the wheel. Remember, safe driving is not just a choice, it's a responsibility we all share. Thank you for joining us on IrajStarTv. Stay safe on the roads, and until next time, take care.